Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. Today we're going to install Linux Mint. This is an amazing Linux distribution available for 32-bit and 64-bit computers. Well, at least version 19.3 and below. So I know Linux Mint 20 is the latest, but we're going to install Linux Mint 19.3 XFCE 32-bit. Linux Mint 19.3 XFCE 32-bit on our old Acer Aspire. What is this? Acer Aspire 9410 computer. And let's crack it. Okay guys, so once you're in your Linux Mint installer, you can just click continue. This is basically a remastered version of my old video that I did a long time ago. You can check it out at the link above, but that was a pretty bad video, so I'm just redoing that. Okay, so now you can select your keyboard layout. Okay. And I think it will automatically install updates while it's installing. However, we do want to click this check so we can install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, flash, MP3, and other media. Okay, we're going to want to install all of that because nobody really wants to do that on their own. Like, it's kind of a pain to install your multimedia codecs and everything on your own. So after this step, depending on your computer's processing power, this may take a while to complete after this, so I'll get back to you when that's done. Alright, so here we are. This is done. I have Debian on this computer, but I also have some free space, so I'm going to install it alongside Debian. You could partition it yourself if you want, or you could erase the entire disk install, but I'm just going to do install Linux Mint alongside Debian. Now, this will also take a little while to complete. Oh, you do want to click continue. So I'll get back when this is done. Alright, so after you enter your location, why is that there? So you might get other windows that will pop open like this. You just close those out. So it will ask for your name and everything here. So we're going to enter that, enter our name, and again, enter this. I'm going to enter our name and then enter our password. And then you'll be good to go. Okay, so now you are installing Linux Mint. Congratulations. Hopefully that all worked out. And please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.